Hello students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Samadip Kaur. So I am back with maths topic source and indices. This is an important topic for competitive exams. So let's start first. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1 where a not equal to 0. Second, a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m into a raised to power n. A raised to power m minus n is equal to a raised to power m by a raised to power n, where m and n are rational numbers and a not equal to 0. Third, a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. Fourth, a raised to power p by q is equal to under root of q a raised to power p. Fifth, a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to ab raised to power m is not always true. Sixth, if a plus under root b is equal to c plus under root d, where a and c are rational and under root b and under root d are irrational, then a is equal to c and b is equal to d. If a is not a rational, then nth under root of a is not a surd. So these are some important results. So let's start with examples. So example 1, given that AB belongs to set of 0, 1, 2 up to 9 with a plus b not equal to 0, and that a plus b by 10 raised to power x that is equal to a by 10 plus b by 100 raised to power y that is equal to 1000, then 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to. So we are given a plus b by 10 raised to power x that is equal to a by 10 plus b by 100 raised to power y that is equal to 1000. So let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, right? So let's put, so 1 by 10 raised to power x is equal to 1 by 100 raised to power y, this is equal to 1000, right? So now 10 raised to power minus x is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2y that is equal to 10 raised to power 3. So from here minus x is equal to 3, which gives x is equal to minus 3, and minus 2y is equal to 3, which gives y is equal to minus 3 by 2, right? So now 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus of 2 by 3, and this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 by 3, this is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Second, under root of 2 plus under root 5 minus under root 6 minus 3 under root 5 plus under root 14 minus 6 under root 5 is equal to, so we are given, so from here that we will try to make perfect square of the number given in under root, right? So from here we will split 14, right? So our step is 2 plus under root 5 minus of under root of 6 minus 3 under root 5 plus under root of, split 14 as 9 plus 5 minus 6 under root 5. So this is perfect square now. So let's write under root 2 plus under root 5 minus under root of 6 minus 3 under root 5 plus this is under root of 3 minus under root 5 whole square. So this will get cancelled, under root and square, right? So now we have under root of 2 plus under root 5 minus under root of 6 minus 3 under root 5 plus 3 minus under root 5. So now we have under root 2 plus under root 5 minus under root of, this is 9 minus 4 under root 5, right? So now let's write it, under root 2 plus under root 5 minus, this is, let's write, this is square of minus 2 plus under root 5 whole square. So here under root and square will get cancelled. So now we have 2 plus under root 5 plus 2 minus under root 5. Under root 5 and minus under root 5 get cancelled. Now we have under root 2 plus 2 that is equal to under root 4. This is equal to 2 answer. Third, the greatest number among cube root of 9, fourth root of 11 and sixth root of 17 is. So let's start. First of all, let's take LCM of 3, 4 and 6, and this is equal to 12, right? So now we have cube root of 9, so this is equal to 9 raised to power 1 by 3, and this is equal to 9 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 12, and this is equal to 6561 raised to power 1 by 12, right? Now we have 4th root of 11, and this is equal to 11 raised to power 1 by 4, and this is equal to 11 raised to power 3 and whole power 1 by 12, and this is equal to 1331 raised to power 1 by 12. Now 6th root of 17, and this is equal to 17 raised to power 1 by 6, and this is equal to 17 square whole power 1 by 12, and this is equal to 289 raised to power 1 by 12. So from here we can see that which is the greatest. Now cube root of 9 is the greatest number among the all, right? So this is the answer. Fourth is solution of the equation 4 into 9 raised to power x minus 1, that is equal to 3 into under root of 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 is. So we are given 4 into 9 raised to power x minus 1, that is equal to 3 into under root of 2 raised to power 2x plus 1, right? So now we will displace these numbers. Let's write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 and 9 as 3 raised to power 2 into x minus 1. This is equal to 3 into 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 by 2. So let's displace these numbers. So we will get 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 minus 1, and this is equal to 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So this gives us that 3 raised to power 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 2x minus 3 by 2. So from here 3 raised to power 2x minus 3 by 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 2 raised to power 2x minus 3 by 2, right? So now left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side base is greater than right hand side base, and power also greater than right hand side, but left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 4 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this gives x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the answer. Fifth is the value of under root of 42 plus under root 42 plus under root 42 and up to so on is equal to. So let y is equal to under root 42 plus y, and now on squaring both sides we get y square is equal to 42 plus y, and this gives y square minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. Y square minus 7y plus 6y minus 42 is equal to 0. Now y into y minus 7 plus 6 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now y plus 6 and y minus 7 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to 7. Now y is equal to minus 6 does not satisfy, so y is equal to 7 is the answer. So we have done this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.